In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first no-code app with Softr. Start by heading to the Softr Applications dashboard. This is your home base for creating new projects. From here, you can start from scratch, which gives you a clean slate and full control over the structure of your app. If you choose this route, Softr will immediately ask what data you want to use in the app. That's important because your data powers your lists, pages, and user views. You can choose Softr databases, Airtable, and many more sources. Pick the one that already holds the information you want to display or manage. If you're unsure, start with a simple table so you can focus on layout first and refine the schema later. You also have the option to generate with AI. This is great when you want a fast draft to work from. Type in the prompt describing the app you need, who it's for, what it should display, and any key actions like submitting forms or filtering lists. Be specific and concise so the structure matches your intent. When the draft is ready, click Preview App. Use this preview to check that the pages, sections, and data lists align with your goals before you commit. If something looks off, adjust your prompt and preview again until the foundation feels right. Prefer to begin with a proven structure? Click. Start with a template. You can search for a template by typing keywords that describe your use case. Customer portal, project tracker, or team dashboard are common starting points. To explore broadly, click All to view the full catalog and get a sense of what's possible. Then click Portals to focus on experiences where users sign in to see personalized content, like clients or partners. Next, click Internal Tools to see templates designed for operations such as inventory, support, or HR workflows. Browsing across these views helps you compare patterns and pick the one closest to your needs. When a template catches your eye, click Preview. This lets you move through the pages and see how sections, buttons, and data blocks are arranged. Pay attention to navigation and how items are listed or filtered. If it feels intuitive in preview, it will be easier to tailor later. Once you've found the right fit, click Use Template. You'll now have a solid starting point that you can adapt to your data and branding without reinventing the layout. That's it. You've seen all the core ways to start, from scratch, with AI, or with a template. Choose the path that best matches your confidence level and timeline, and you'll be building in minutes.